G'day folks, Connor here from CW's Tech Reviews, back with another video, and today we're discussing my top 3 features on the Galaxy Note 9. So without further ado, hit the like button and the subscribe button and let's get stuck into my video. Let's go. Those of you that know me know that I'm an Android fan from way back, and the first phone I really fell in love with was the HTC One. And the main reason I loved it at that time was 1, for the camera, and 2, for the screen, and 3, because it was just fast compared to what I'd been using previously. And they're the same things that I love about Android phones today. When I truly fall in love with one, it's because of the camera, the screen, and the speed or the general performance of it. And that's where I'm at right now with the Galaxy Note 9. Now it comes with 1,000,001 features. It comes with an S Pen. Now the first one for me, I haven't even done my camera review on the Note 9, but I can tell you that I absolutely love the camera. You pull it out of your pocket, you point and shoot, you take your photo, and it produces a really crisp and clear image. I use a DSLR, an older one at that, but I do use a DSLR. And for straight up auto mode, the Galaxy Note 9 beats it every time. Manual mode, it probably will never beat it because of lenses and all the different tricks I can do with a DSLR. But for auto mode, it beats it hands down, and for video mode, it leaves it for dead. So the Galaxy Note 9 camera is phenomenal. And here's a few pictures we can look at and see that it's just great, whether it's low light or really bright light. It just captures all the detail. Gone are the oversaturation days of Samsung, in my opinion anyway. These photos look a lot more balanced, so definitely the Galaxy Note 9 is on par, as good as, and sometimes better as the rest of the cameras in this flagship level. So the Galaxy Note 9 cameras, yippee doo-dah, happy days. The next area that I'm going to mention as one of my top 3 features is the display and the screen. This is a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display. It is absolutely beautiful to look at. I have it on full brightness and full max display settings because, hey, why waste it? It's an 18.5:9 aspect ratio, 516 ppi or something like that. It's just out of control. 83.4% screen to body ratio. Now it is also HDR compliant, whatever that means. I mean, it just looks phenomenal no matter what I seem to watch. And I've been watching some 4K content on Netflix recently, and I just love it. I'd rather watch it on this than cast it to my TV because this is a better screen than my TV. So the display and the screen is mind-blowingly good. Definitely the best on the market. And if you think that someone else's is better, it's actually made by Samsung anyway. So you know who I'm talking about there. Kudos to Samsung. Now the other area that I'm extremely satisfied with is the performance of the Galaxy Note 9. Now I didn't even go balls up and get the 8 gigs of RAM with 512 gigs of storage. I've got 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage. I'm also running the Exynos 9810 on this as well, and I have been extremely satisfied with its performance. I don't have any stutter between apps, and look, I've upgraded from a Galaxy S8 Plus. I didn't think I would notice the performance difference going from the S8 Plus to the Note 9. But what I had noticed with my S8 Plus, it had started to lag a lot. That's not happening on the Galaxy Note 9. Playing some PUBG on it, Leo's Fortune, that sort of thing, and it's just been ripping through everything I throw at it, multitasking through apps, split screen, everything. Not a single lag or glitch at all. So the performance of the Galaxy Note 9 is up there. It is just staggeringly good. We have a win-win situation here. This is where I'm at. Camera, performance, display, blowing everyone else out of the water. I'm stoked. You will be too. Don't hesitate if you're thinking about getting the Note 9. You won't be disappointed. That's it for me. Hit that like button and the subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next video. Check out.